Hi, and welcome to Learnyst. This video is a guide about knowing more about students, basically report section. One of the superpower that we can give to our educators is knowing more about their students. You really want to understand that how and what it takes for a student to complete the course and how his progress is going on. It can be tracked for a video course, it can be tracked for a mock test, a quiz, for anything. And for all of that, we are building reports like a state-of-the-art feature. Let me walk you through what we have achieved so far. So once you go up here, you can see in the report section, we have so many of the reports that are going on, right from the resource usage to the progress and score. In this case, we'll be focusing on progress and score. This is where you see majority of what students are doing and how they're behaving on their platform. As you can see, the core reports are about progress, test series programs, bundle programs, podcast, digital products, quizzes, bundle quizzes, Play Store, and we are constantly adding more to this report section. For example, you want to see that how one of your courses is performing and how students are behaving on it so that you can understand their behavior and can learn more about them. You can just go ahead and click on this and can see what's the duration of the course, how many learners are enrolled, and how it goes on. For example, I'll just click on this HTML and CSS Modern Web Development. It's a pretty old course, and a lot of people keep on enrolling for the trial, for the paid ones as well. Here we can see a lot of students are here, and we can just go ahead and check out some of the students have completed 8%, 12%, and they have recently logged in and all these things. So you can see a lot of things are going on with this. I can just go ahead and check out and can see that how the course is behaving for a particular student. Can I improve it more? Can I help him or assist him more so that I can find more details about it? Not only that, there is so much more to know about each of the courses, which one is performing more. And similarly, you can find out more about your test programs, how the students are taking their test, how many of them are completing your test, and can help them and assist them. There is so much that you can learn about from this report section. We'll be keep on adding more videos to understand more about reports, but I highly recommend to go ahead and check out the report section. It is one of the superpower and understanding your platform better as well as your users' behavior better so that you can provide them better content in order to make them success. So that's it for this video. Reach out for us for any help or support that you need. We would be happy to do so.